Development. Once the design is complete, the development starts. This might be the shortest phase of the waterfall process because the research and design have already been done. The software architecture designed in the design stage is implemented in the development stage. This includes software programming, troubleshooting, and module testing. The software design is implemented in the desired programming language. Individual components are developed separately, checked and tested, and integrated into the overall product. The website is tested for the first time as a complete product in the alpha test. For more info, call Dr. Pete at 773-372-9656.